Okay, the next meal that we're gonna prepare in our containers is a super simple, easy, everyday lunch that I like to enjoy. It's basically just organic hummus with veggies, and then if I have unleavened bread on hand, I'll serve it with that. Or you can double up on the corn tortillas or whatever type of grain that you prefer as like a dipper. But sometimes I don't even eat it with a grain, I'll just have the veggies and the hummus. So let's portion this into these 2-compartment containers from Bentgo. Okay, all you have to do, open your containers. I bought 3 hummus packs. So you'll want to consider that we're gonna be portioning this for 7 days. So you're gonna use a little less than half of the container for each meal prep container. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're gonna do a little less than half of the hummus in each container. And then this will get us through the week. Just portion it in. I chose the organic hummus versus some of the others because I liked the ingredients in this one better. It was just more simple ingredients than the other ones. And I like to go with organic ingredients as much as possible, so that's why I chose this one. But if you're less particular, you can get one of the bigger cartons that they have. It's a little less expensive. Okay. Just want to emphasize like how quick this is to pre-portion your meals ahead of time so that when you're going about your week, you're not stressed out thinking about what am I going to make for lunch? What am I going to make for dinner? You already have something in the refrigerator that's ready to go, and it's just a really quick and simple heat, or it's already even ready to eat like this meal already is. And taking a little bit of time up front to do all that really saves you time and energy. Okay, just gonna smear that down. You can also serve this with olives, herbs, spices on top of the hummus is really good. But for today, we're just gonna make it really simple. All right. So now we have hummus in all 7 of our containers. Now we're gonna do, I chose cucumbers because these are really juicy and they're just really easy to add into the container. You don't even really have to cut these, you can just kind of break them in half. All right, and then same thing, I chose baby carrots because these don't require any preparation. You just open the bag and then put them in. Dump a handful in. This is just such a good way to eat a lot of veggies too, without having to do a whole bunch of chopping. Sometimes chopping can get in the way of making healthy, delicious meals for yourself because just the whole idea of having to do a bunch of dishes and clean up afterwards can be a little bit daunting. Okay, and then this is another one. This is really easy. These mini organic peppers. I don't even really have to cut them or anything. I'm just gonna rinse them off real quick. And then as I go about the week and I'm eating these, I try not to eat the seeds. So then I don't have to even bother with cutting them. Okay, look how quickly I just prepared lunch for 7 days. And I didn't have to do any chopping. I'm just gonna put the lids on. Here's an example. You have protein, veggies, a variety of colors in here. It's always good to eat the rainbow, they say. You have red, orange, green. Some of them have yellow. The hummus has beans, it has seeds, it has some herbs and spices, all part of the daily dozen. And I didn't have to chop a single thing. Okay, where are we at? So we have 7 lunches meal prepped, ready to go into the refrigerator. Okay, I'm gonna put these over here.